Welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to stop Telegram from automatically downloading files in your chats on PC. This is especially useful if you want to save data, keep your storage clean, or just stay in control of what gets downloaded to your device. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once it's fully loaded, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. A side menu will slide out. From here, find and click on Settings. This will take you into the main configuration area of Telegram, where you can customize how the app behaves. Next, scroll down a bit until you see Advanced and click on it. Inside the Advanced section, you'll find more detailed controls for your Telegram experience. Now look for the section labeled In Private Chats and click on it. This is where Telegram manages how media and files behave specifically in your one-on-one conversations. Once you're inside, you'll see different options related to automatic downloads. Find the option for files and simply disable it. This will stop Telegram from automatically downloading files sent to you in private chats. After turning it off, make sure you click Save to apply your changes.